joined today by Dave Reeves, Managing Director of Calidus Resources. Dave, thanks for your time.
Great to be here and thank you.
People who followed the Calidus story have clearly seen the exploration success you've achieved. Now you're moving into the final feasibility and study phase and then development. What does this year look like for Calidus?
It's a really busy year, David. Pretty exciting as well, I must say. So we are into the feasibility now. Met testing, all those sort of final variabilities are getting locked away, mill size, what have you. Permitting is very well advanced now, and at the end of the day, what we're aiming for is at the end of this year, we want to be permitted, the feasibility complete, and funding pretty well locked away. We want to be building this early next year. Gold just broke 2,400 an ounce. We're aiming for a mine that produces around 100,000 ounces per annum at around 11.50 an ounce. That's a massive margin. Puts out a lot of cash every year, so the sooner we can get that into development, the better, and that's really our prime focus for the year ahead.
How much interest has been generated on the funding side?
Look, the banks, the funders, the debt funders are all lining up, and again, with those margins, you can really leverage the debt. There is a disconnect between producers and developers at the moment, and you see that in our market cap. So obviously we'll be taking more debt if we can at these prices and equity. Quite often that's perceived as high risk, but with the margins that we're looking at and the way we've gone about with our conservative parameters, we see it as very low risk and maximises the return to shareholders.
How important is it to have the right team as you move through this phase?
It's absolutely vital. So our COO, Paul Brennan, was the GM out at Carossie Dam for Saracen before he joined us. So he took that from a mine life of less than a year into one of the backbones of Saracen. We've got a very experienced project manager on board, and we're building our team slowly but surely with that. We have built mines before. Mark Connolly, our chair, and myself have probably built just under 10 mines between us. We've been involved with building, so to have that experience is good. And if it's done properly, like with Gold Road, shareholders reap the rewards.
Milestones. What should investors focus on over the next 6 or 12 months?
Look, I think the key things is just to see those boxes ticked on the de-risking. So, everything from resource and reserve upgrades through to feasibility, permitting is a big one, understanding what our financing looks like and how little we're going to require in equity to get this up and away. And timelines, we're very proud of meeting all the timelines we always put out there. So by end of year, it should be a very, very different story.
Exciting times ahead for Calidus and its shareholders. Look forward with interest. Dave, thanks for your time.
Thanks, Dave.